Hello and welcome back, everyone. This is the third and final part of technology and design. Let's go. The design process. Any person who designs new technology is an engineer. Engineers follow these steps to produce solutions. 1. Identify the problem. 2. Do research. Step 3. Develop possible solutions. Step 4. Choose one solution. Step 5. Design and construct a prototype. Step 6. Test the prototype. Step 7. Communicate results. Step 8. Evaluate and redesign. Let's take a closer look at these steps. Step 1. Identify the problem. The need for a solution can come from anywhere. People try to improve inventions and processes all the time. One problem you might have is how to carry books at school. Step 2. Do research. Before you invent a solution, you must find out what solutions already exist. To look for such facts and information is to do research. Step 3. Develop possible solutions. There are more ways than one to solve a problem. How many ways can you think of to carry books around school with you? Step 4. Choose one solution. Engineers think of as many ways to solve a problem as they can. They choose the solution they think will work best. They also think of the materials they will need to use. Step 5. Design and construct a prototype. If you wanted to design a book bag to carry your books, you would first draw a design of it. Then you would make the bag. The first working version of a design is a prototype. Step 6. Test the prototype. You test the prototype by trying it out. The test helps you see if the design works the way you expected it to work. Step 7. Communicate results. People share information about problems and solutions. Engineers write down the details of their designs and tests. They might also make drawings. Step 8. Evaluate and redesign. Some prototypes work well. Unfortunately, others do not work as planned. The results of the test tell if a design should be changed. There is always room for improvement. Therefore, a design can always be improved. Let's try an experiment, shall we? Test and redesign. Engineers build and test their prototypes. Then they write about or draw their test results. Engineers often change their designs after testing their prototypes. They write about or draw their new designs. So what I would like to do is for you to build a paper airplane. Draw what it looks like. Test your airplane. Measure how far it flies. Write your test result. Then design and draw a new airplane. Test your new airplane. Measure how far it flies. Write your test results. Compare your tests. Which plane flew better? We talked about research, so now is an opportunity for you to do some research. I have given you the instructions for how to build one kind of paper airplane. Now, you need to get online and try to find a way to build another kind of airplane. Maybe some of you already know how to do this, but if you don't, then you will need to do some research. Good luck! Okay, well, good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to the video today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. And take care. See you next time. Goodbye.